In this problem, we're given a right triangle and we're asked to find the value of GH. So the value that they are asking for is the length going from G to H. So it's this green side that they're wanting us to find. So if I put my variable here and I notice that I'm given this, I see that my angle is this angle right here. So I need to label the triangle using this angle. So taking a quick look, this is the hypotenuse, and I see that across from the angle is the opposite, and then my adjacent. Circling what I'm given, which is the adjacent, and circling what they want me to find, which is the hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse is going to be a cosine problem. So I know that I need to use the cosine of 35 degrees, and that it will be equal to the adjacent, which is 18.4, over the hypotenuse, which is x. So taking a look here, going to my calculator and finding out what the cosine of 35 is, I'm going to say cosine 35, and I get that it is 0.8191. So coming over here and writing down 0.8191, that's still going to be equal to the fraction that I have over here as is. And now taking the left-hand side and putting it over 1 and cross-multiplying this now, I can see that the number 1 is going to get multiplied by 18.4. So I know that I can just go ahead and write that as 18.4, and it's going to be equal to, cross-multiplying in the other direction now, I'm going to take x times this 0.81 number, so I'm going to grab this and say that that's going to be 0.8191x. So now I need to take one more step and say this x needs to get by itself, and there's a number multiplying it. Well, to undo the multiplication, I'm going to divide on both sides. And I'm going to divide both sides by that 0.8191 number, but if I do it on the right side of the equation, I have to do the same thing over here on the left side. And crossing out my values here, I'm going to get that x is equal to this numerical operation here, so 18.4 divided by 0.8191. Hopping over to the calculator, I can see that we're going to type in 18.4 divided by 0.8191, and pressing equal, I get 22.463. I'm going to go ahead and say that that's 22.463, so 22.463, and then some other numbers. Now, if I come back up here to the very top of the directions, it says that they want us to round the answer to the nearest hundredth, and the hundredth means the second digit after the decimal. So if I take a look here, here's 22.46. Here's my second digit, so that's the digit that they want me to take a look at. And right after it is a 3. Because it's a 3, that means that this 6 is going to stay the same, so my final answer is going to be 22.46.